Class, we have a new pupil today. So I'd like to take a moment before we begin to explain the rules of our routine. First, when you enter the school, you must do so quietly. You will find your desk and take your seat silently and place your hands on top like this. After we've done our morning routine with attendance and we have sung God Save the King, we will do our hygiene check. So you must stand up beside your desk with your hands out like this. I am checking your fingernails to see that they are neat and clean and trimmed. And then you will flip your palms up and I will inspect them as well to make sure that they are clean. Then we will move on to checking your teeth to see that they are clean. Boys, I check behind your ears. I do not want any dirty ears in my classroom. Girls, I am doing a jewelry check. Jewelry is not allowed to be worn in my classroom. If you have a question or if I call upon you, you must stand up beside your desk and ask or answer your question. I expect you to pay attention and always do as you are told. Since you're so curious about your new school, you ought to know that you are in Nassagaweya Township in Halton County. This school was built in 1886, and for 24 years, children like you have sat in this very classroom in these very seats, and I imagine will do so for many years to come. When it's cloudy outside, we have lanterns to light our classroom. We also have a wood stove to keep us warm in the winter, and if it gets too warm, vents that we can open up in the ceiling. Do you know what grade you're in? You look to be about grade 3, I would think. We'll know when I do my assessments. I teach all grades from grade 1 to grade 8 in this room, and I am the teacher for all of you. This is a farming community, so your studies will be related to your family's way of life. I will teach you reading, writing, and arithmetic. So addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Sometimes you'll learn a little bit about geography or history, but that will be incorporated into your writing. Where are your school supplies? You will need a reader, a tablet, and some soapstone to be able to write on your tablet. You can purchase these at the general store. I expect you to have them tomorrow. You should know that I do not tolerate any shenanigans in my classroom. If you misbehave, you will be assigned a task punishment, such as gathering kindling for the wood stove or perhaps cleaning the chalk brushes after school. If you continue to misbehave, we will move on to humiliation punishments. So you may be standing in the corner with the dunce cap or have your nose to the chalkboard. If that's not enough to set you straight, you may be rapped on the knuckles with the stick, or I may have you hold out your hand and give you the strap. Now you know what to expect in my schoolhouse. I'd like you to think about how this is different than any classrooms you've experienced before. Is it the same? Is it different? Is it harder? Is it easier? Can you imagine what school might be like in the future?